Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you like how you can push existing data to the Django model. Suppose you have a data in a file or in a CSV format and you want to push it to Django models or you want to populate it, whatever you say. So how you do it? Like you can just write everything in a form, or you can basically write in the views part also, but you have to use then browser and it may crash. And suppose you want do it through the command line. So basically, or you suppose you have in a different what do you call database. So from there also you can just push to the Django model. So let me quickly just show you. Like this is my normal what do you call Django start app. So this is the data is my app name and my site is the project name. So you know start project. This is the project name. We have the settings and all that. So you can see it's completely empty. I've just made it. Settings also empty. Just I have installed apps data because my app is data. And here also admin is like I have just registered admin models. So I have created a dummy model like age, pair, name, and I've given it the name contact. Like basically we use this only. So yeah, age, pair, name, it's completely like this one. This is my model only. Test is empty, views is totally empty. And in admin, I have just registered a contact model, so we can just see the data in the contact and apps in here also just installed data. Yeah, so it's like a normal empty data. So what do you have to do first? Let me just show you the data. So suppose I'll be pushing this data, like it's titanium data set. So it's a huge data. So I'll be pushing age, pair, and name, these three columns as a model. See, we have age, pair, name. So how should we do it? So in the data only, just have to make a new folder, write it management, and under management write a new folder commands, and under commands make a new file, and whatever the file name you give, suppose I'll give update models.py. Okay, so it's under command. You can see data, app name, my, then management, then commands. And here, sorry, I have like spelling mistake here. Rename commands, commands. Yeah. So basically now we have a starter code. So you just copy this starter code in your file. You don't panic. It's like you just have to like copy it. You don't have to write anything else. Like from Django core management base import base command, class command, base command, like help import boost. So yeah, it's a normal. Now you have to write all your code here only. See, so I'm gonna use a library called pandas for reading a CSV file. So if you have a like from the CSV you want to work like other with the other library, doesn't matter, and you have a different database connection, so you can just database connections. You can just install your database connections here and just pull the data and directly push it to models. So you can database connections here. I just write it so you can just write it here. So suppose I want to read this file. Okay, so this is my file. Let me just copy it and make sure. Yeah, let me just, yeah, this is the folder, data my site. So make sure if you have a file, so make sure the file should be present here, like test. My file name is testscreen.csv. So it's where the manage.py file is present. It should be present there only. See, you can see data management command. It shouldn't be here. You should just have the file, and the data file should be here. Okay. So yeah. So let me just go quickly here. Now we'll see df equal, no, we have to import that model also from mm, my site, sorry, from data dot models import contact, because my model name is contact. Yeah. Now we'll say sorry, we'll say df pandas dot read underscore csv. File name is testclean.csv. Let me show you the admin part also. See, is completely empty. Please complete showing some error. I think data isn't present, so that's why I don't know. Mm, No get data, no po, no files. Okay, so it's completely empty. I think that's what. So yeah, test clean. Now we'll loop it for name, sorry, age, comma fair, comma name in zip df dot age, comma df dot fair, comma df dot name. Okay, so it will loop here, and in contact we'll say age equals to age, fair equals to fair, and name equals to name. So basically it's looping, you can know it's looping over the columns and just putting in the contact, and you can just save it in a variable called model equal to, and just models dot save. Okay, so now just save the file and go here where you manage the py file is, and just write cmd and just write python manage.py. What was our file name? Update models. Update models.py. Okay, the file name I have written. Run it. So see, it's showing unknown command models.py, but it should run like this only. So basically, what is the part is you don't have to put .py extension. You don't have to write the .py. Don't do this mistake. Otherwise, you will just scratch your head what's happening. So you don't have to write the .py. Now just press enter. Okay, pandas is not defined. Sorry. Uh, sorry, I have wrote panda instead of pd because I'm importing as pd. Yeah, let me save it. Yeah. Test clean. What's the file? Test underscore clean. Sorry, I have wrote the wrong file name. I hope this time it will work. Just making silly mistakes. No such table data contact. So yeah, basically I haven't like migrated it, so that's why it's showing the error. So you can see contact is completely empty. So it's opening now because I haven't like migrated it. So yeah, so let me just run the same thing, python manage.py update models. Okay, let me just press enter. It's running. Okay, it's done. Now you can see so we get all the data, name, age, fair, and name. So we got all the data. So this is the way you can like see the command again. So you just have to just have to, under this you have to write your commands, or if you have a database, just write the database connection. And thanks for watching.